Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be transforming myself from this to this beautiful, gorgeous, ripened, purplish kind of makeup look because, I decided to put this wig and it was really amazing. And I was like, whoo, in the middle, it kind of goes to black to pink and, maybe I'm imagining it goes to purple. Something is just in my head, but that's another thing. So we're going to do that. But girl, before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel because I post a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, more everything. So perfume, it's going to be fashion, hair, a bunch of stuff, everything. So let's get into it. Getting a little prep. So I have this MAC brush. It's discontinued, but it works so well. It's like a triangle shape, and I can really go into these corners. So I don't know why they would discontinue a brush like that, but I just wanted to say that it's just amazing. Look, it's like a packer brush, but triangle. It's such a weird shape. I could almost do a liner with it, like just like that. What do you think about my wig, by the way? It's the first time I wear this one. There was kind of like a little net there and I cut it off and it's not that bad. I have some of my hair coming out here just because my hairline goes like this. Is so annoying, especially when I want to put a wig on, but it just looks a little bit more natural, especially with the black here. So I don't know, it's cute. And I let my hair, anyways, I don't know. We're going to go back into purple because why not? And it's going to be into the Ripened shade because in the powder kisses that I bought, there's the shade, apparently everybody loves it. So it's this one in the middle right here. It's like really hard to see this one under the purple here. It's called Ripened. And I also bought the lipstick that went with it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go into the shade Ripened. And it looks more pink on my eyes than purple. So I guess it's going to come with the other shade that we're going to put on. This needs to be lit. And usually I drag it all the way, but for today, I feel like I don't want to drag it all the way. We're going to do a little tiny bit different than usual. Just keeping it at the outer corner. We're going to use a bunch of different tools today, like powders, cream eyeshadows, a little bit of pencils as well, just to mix and match some techniques and see where it leads us. So I'm following my eyebrow, so that means that I'm following the motion of my brow. So it looks exactly, not the same, but it kind of like fits with it. And staying at the outer corner of the eye. So far, so good. So this is going to be our transition shade and kind of like the star of the show. Then I wanted to try this Bobbi Brown cream stick. Longwear cream stick, yeah. I never really tried cream eyeshadows like these. I'm just going to put it like this on the outer corner and then bring it right under like this around how I would do my eyeshadow. So at the bottom like this and I round it under the crease. The only thing that's really annoying, I feel like, is that Ripened. I thought it would be more purple than it is right now on my eyes. Like, especially in the pan, it looks way more purple. And on my eyes, it looks so warm tones. Like, it's insane. I didn't think it would look like that. Anyways, we're going to work with it. And I'm just going to take a little pencil brush and then blend that cream eyeshadow with the rest. And I'm bringing it around, blending it around. And these, obviously, they blend so well together. It's going to be a very pretty simple look. If it looks like crap, I'm just going to, fix it. Don't worry about that. I'm just... So now this is like purpley pink. And of course, I'm going to put like some highlight after so it's not too crazy. It's funny because now with the purple and the pink, it looks like the middle of my wig. So I feel like it kind of fits at that level. It's just funny, okay? I'm just trying to find the positive side to this thing that I see right now. Okay, so I'm going to take that shade, which is a little bit more purplish here. I don't remember the name, but you know the drill. Ooh, that is so pigmented, okay? What just happened? Like, hello. Well, that shade is really pretty. That purple. Ooh, that deep purple is definitely one of the prettiest shade that I've ever seen. And it just blends like a dream. Usually purples are so hard to formulate. Excuse me. And then we blend around the edges right here. to make sure that it's like the right shape, that there's no weird things happening. That cream eyeshadow, definitely. Okay, the second step was pretty ugly, but then with the adding purple on top of it, it looks absolutely beautiful. It's like a transition shade. It's not too crazy, so I like it so far. I'm like, the choice that I made was just really nice. A little bit of this shade, like a beige shade. This is Best of Me, and it is almost the same color as my skin tone. It's just gonna mattify everything on my lid. And I think I'll add a little bit here, like around, you know, because sometimes it's like, eesh, cute. I'm like concentrating so hard on this eyeshadow right now. All right, what do you guys think about the color? I feel like it's super pretty. Definitely a Ripened moment. Ripened. So this is cute. I feel like it fits. And then I feel like, whoops, not this one. You imagine I put that on the middle of my thing. That wouldn't be pretty. Okay, so let me add a little bit of that purple right in the middle so I can see the color again. Just a little tiny bit here. Oh my god. I just put it all around my nose. Let me put it on the other side too. I'm like, I need to put a little bit of that color because there's some shimmers on it, and I might put some shimmers on the eyelid later on. I just want to have that color, that dusty mauve from here, and then I'm just gonna blend so then it fits better with the eye look. So both sides, left and right. And you know what? That blends pretty well, to be honest. It makes the blend so much better. And then I can take back the brush with a little bit of purple and then blend into it like this. Not adding any pigment, just really blending it in. Ooh, we got a nice, beautiful eye look. And it's like a soft cut crease, which means I'm not cutting my crease anymore. I feel like it's not like what I would want. I don't need to cut the crease because it's just a big kind of eye look, and I'm avoiding cut creases because of my hooded eyes. I feel like it's not as great anymore for my hooded eyes. I just put like shimmers everywhere. Oh, I found something very interesting. This is from Becca, Shimmering Skin Perfector in Prismatic Amethyst. And there's a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple. It's kind of like a lavender color, and I feel like it's just going to fit very well with this. Oh, funny, thinking about Becca, they are still alive. They got bought by Smashbox, I think. I don't know. It's just... okay. So I'm just going to put a little tiny bit like this. Then bringing it into this kind of high too. I'm just going in it. I'm not actually using this color as highlighter because honestly I don't like these colors on my face. I just don't like it. I don't know, it's not something that I like. It's frustrating to me, like somebody that comes out with a shade like this, I'm like, why? Like why? I don't want to wear purple on my cheeks, okay? I just want to wear something that looks pretty and that looks like it's champagne or something. Like, hello, I'm not interested in purple. I don't know if you guys have the same thing, but like, I don't know. I have a hate relationship with purple highlighters. I can't. I don't know why they come out all the time. I don't know. Like, you gotta tell me down below, why do you think they just release pink or like lavender? Why can't it be like another color? It could be any other color, but it can't be lavender. I think we like. And then I'm gonna take like this pencil. This is kind of like a purplish kind of black eyeliner pencil. So I don't know. I'm gonna line a little bit my lashes with it. A little tiny liner. And I keep my eye open for this one, as you can see, and I'm shaping it. Added a tiny little liner that is not black to be different. A tiny bit. You like this or not? The thing is, I wanted to put my magnetic eyelashes so bad, and then I'm gonna have to put some like liner on top. What if we don't put the purple eyeliner? What if we don't put the magnetic lashes and put something else? I could do that too. I'm gonna take the shade Ripened and then bring it under here. That looks cute. I feel like it fits with the look. I was going to put the dark eyeshadow, but then I was like, maybe it's going to be too dark. I don't want my under eyes to be too dark. I want it to look cute and nice to go with my wig. And a little bit of the dark color at the outer corner of the eye, just for some dimension. What do you guys think of this masterpiece? Cute now, very pretty, simple look, cute. And then now it's time for the worst smelling mascara ever that smells like straight up paint. Ew. Okay, it literally smells like paint. You know, like the one you buy for your wall? That's what it smells like. It's supposed to be clean, but it doesn't smell clean to me. I could technically only put some mascara, but why would I do this? It's not extra enough, and I want this kind of like a fluffy type of pair of lashes, so I'll go get some right now. What should I put? Okay, oh my god, I was removing the glue from... Oh my god, it dried out? What happened? So disgusting. So what happened is, I tried to remove the glue off of like one pair of eyelashes, right? But then I used another glue for that specific lash, and then it just ripped. Like the glue, you can't just remove it the way you want. And that is so frustrating. I hate wasting a pair of lash when I know I can wear them for so long. This is just annoying. That should be good. That should be good. We're going to put those lashes. Everything's going to be all right. Everything is going to be okay. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. Oh my god. Okay, we got it. We finally got it because this was insane and I wasn't able to do anything else. Like, it was not working at all. It was really annoying. So anyways, really, really nice. What do you guys think of the eye look so far? It's pretty cute. So now I think I'm going to put some blush. And I wanted to go into that one, which this one here is a bit more purplish. And it is called Plum Foolery, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Again, I'm like, I don't know the name of the blushes. So I'm just going to go with this. I don't know again. So pretty. It's the perfect blush. You guys, this is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Oh my god, guys, this is such a pretty blush. I didn't think it would be that pretty. Excuse me. Pigment. It is exactly the same shade right now, almost as Ripened. Look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my god. I feel like a doll. I feel like a baby doll. I'm like, so cute. Anyways, I'm going to put my highlights because I'm going to do a review on the highlight. And then I will be right back for the rest. Alright, for the lips, after I fixed my blush, my highlight, everything, I'm going to be putting this lip primer, MAC Lip Prep Plus Prime Lip Primer. Very important. I was thinking about what I was going to put on my lips as... All right, so let's do the lip liner. I'm going to go with Cyber World because we have a little bit of purple. And I'm going to be very light-handed with this one again because I don't want this to be crazy. Very light-handed. And I'm sorry, the way that I apply makeup is that I can't see anything. And sometimes I have to be like this and I'm very, very sorry. Like, you can't see anything. It is the same color. It looks so nice. What do you guys think of this color? I feel like it fits with my eyeshadow look. It is super pretty. And now for the final show, it is Ripened. So this one is Ripened. Look at this color. It is so pretty. Okay, I've been looking at this color for literal years. Like, this was the color that it was recommending me for like years and years and years, and I never got it. And now I have it in my hands. I'm going to put it on my lips for the first time. I know it's like cheesy and everything, but guys, it's the first time in years, like probably 3-4 years, that I've been looking at this lipsticks at this color and I never had it, and now I have it. I gave in. The temptation, I gave in. You know what's sad as well is that there's not really any like lip liners that goes with that shade, but oh my god, this shade is so pretty. Oh my god, Purple Fantasy. Here we come. Okay, now we're gonna blend everything. And then we are done. Oh my god, this lip is so much over the top. It's way too much than I thought it is. Okay. And then we do this, and then the look is gonna be complete. Is this everything that I needed at the moment? Yes. Yes. The only thing is I feel like this lip is too purple. Maybe I should have went with a pink lip liner. What do you guys think? Do you think that purple fits me well or not? I would love to know. Tell me down below if you think that this fits me well. I would love, 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 love to know. It would be amazing. So, what do we think of this final look? This soft little ripened moment. I feel like for the ripened moment, I had to have a lip that was that purple and that deep with the ripened. Do I regret buying this? I feel like I'm disappointed a little tiny bit about the color because I know that this like is a new type of matte, or maybe it's because I had too much lip balm right under. I don't know. It's like it was too thick and it wasn't like sticking to my lips properly. Anyways, that's another thing. But I love powder kisses, and I had to really build this one up to make sure that it was up to the amount that I wanted. But it's still very, very beautiful. So anyways, I love it. Especially the eye look. I feel like I'm living for it. Anyways, it's very impressive how a soft little look can look on with that pink wig. Is this the vibe or what? This is really the vibe. I love it. Anyways, I'm just living my best life with coffee over here. Did you hear that? All right, so if you like this little makeup tutorial, makeup look, whatever, make sure to like the video. Tell me down below what color you would like to see next, because I feel like I did purple like 2 times already, like now. Do you want to see like more Christmassy type of things? A little bit of glitter over here, there, and like cut creases and stuff? Or do you like to see soft creases like this? It's kind of like easier, especially if you're on the go and you're like, go, go, go. I feel like this is easier. I don't know. Tell me down below. I would love to know. And also, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single day. Every single day. Sorry, every single week. Okay, I'm not that intense. Thank you. It's all about beauty, lifestyle, fashion, perfume, anything that you want is going to be there. So make sure to subscribe again. And thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys.